Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to add slide tab section in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize or make your Shopify online store more professional, more user friendly and more engaging, without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to mention that you will get the free ready code snippet, so you don't have to write any code slide tab section in Shopify. You have to just go to my website. You will find the website URL or of this code snippet link in the video description, how to add slide tab section in Shopify. So don't worry about the code snippet or coding because everything is ready. You have to just follow this video guideline and do step by step to get the final result. Okay, here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store, then click on this three dot icon, edit code. Now open section folder, add a new section, then type section name slide tab section. So add slide tab section. Okay, no space, looks good. Then click on the done. Now the magic part, that is go to my website, click on here, so simple. Then will be copy and paste all the code. First remove this code, previous existing code, then paste in here. Okay, click on the save exist. Okay, now go to the customize section and click on the add section, then search tab, and you see wow, the site tab content added in here. Now you can customize everything of this section. You can add more tab. So first we are going to add another tab in here. So you see site tab content, so we are going to add a new tab. So click on add block, then tab, and tab title will be 3. Okay, now going to add content for tab. So click add block. We can add split content. Here is the content. So in the split content we are going to change the title, tab 3 heading color transparent, or you can make different color. You see, you can change base text size. We can add custom font in here. Okay, you see that we can add title and content in here. Also there have a lot of option that we can add in our tab. For example, go to the tab section, tab 3. Here is the tab 3. Then we can add others block in here. Looks here, there have 23 block: tab slit, heading, fancy heading, spacer, divider, regular text, collapsible content, small text, list, button, icon, text column, image slider, comparison slider, newsletter from, video, featured range, countdown timer, liquid, HTML page, and clean size chart. I hope you understand. So you see there have maximum block that we can use on our slide tab. And also here is the option, we can make the tab position right and left based on our requirement. We can change this position, we can change the text alignment, mobile layout, also change the design, background color, select a tab color. For example, we can make it red, you see. Okay, tab background we can make it green, blue for now, you see. Also we can change the panel border, rounded corner, background, layout size, and maximum width, inner padding, outer padding, advanced CSS. A lot of things in here. We can override default font. So it's fully ready to use in any Shopify theme and make a awesome looks of your Shopify online store. So I hope you understand everything very easily, very quickly, how you can add slide tab content on your Shopify online store in any theme. So don't worry about which theme you are using right now, because it's support in all the Shopify themes, and you just have to follow 2 steps. Go to your Shopify admin panel, go to the code edit section and create a file in the section folder. That's name will be slide tab content, and then simply go to my website. In this article, you will get this article link in the video description, and copy the content and paste this content on the file that you have created, and finally go to the customer section and you will find this option. So simple, so easy. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.